Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Anywhere Everywhere.
Our channel.
Yeah, our channel Anywhere Everywhere.
So today we are going to be ranking the
Weirdest phobias. So S stands for I understand why people have this. A is for okay.
Okay.
B is for okay, I guess. C is for why you have this. D is for just why. E is for dumbest phobia ever. Let's start.
So, the first phobia is xanthophobia. What is xanthophobia? Xanthophobia is the fear of color yellow.
I don't understand why do people have this, but they probably have this because they saw something scary that is yellow color or something.
Yeah, I think we should rank it. I think C is okay.
Yes. Now, the next fear is
Wait! Before that, I want to tell you that we might pronounce his name, badly because we don't know the pronunciation. So sorry for that. Continue.
next phobia is globophobia. What is globophobia? Globophobia is the fear of balloons, which is like kind of realistic. Just imagine going to someone's birthday party and a balloon popping next to your face in that birthday.
So
I would be terrified at that moment and just get out of the party. So globophobia should go on S.
So the next phobia is trypophobia, the fear of hair, literally hair. What kind of phobia is that, right?
Probably because they're scared of hair because they saw Yeti in here or something. Or
In the bathroom.
Okay.
I think we should rate it D.
Yeah, like just why do people have this? The next phobia is decidophobia. Decidophobia is the fear of making decisions. Isn't everybody scared for making some big decisions? Like almost everybody is at some point of their life. But
Like-
the people with decidophobia have fear of making decisions every time. They mostly give their decision for someone else to make, or they just stay at their same place.
Yeah, like I have that phobia a little bit, cause like I was like in my school only today. Yeah, done. I think it's for me it's S.
For me, I would be okay, I guess. A.
Yeah, A is.
She thinks it's S. I think it's B.
I have the phobia. So the next phobia is nomophobia. What is nomophobia? Nomophobia is the fear of being without your phone.
I mean, like in this modern
Era.
like everybody is
Having that phobia.
no, not everybody is having that phobia, but many people are close to this phobia. Like many people just can't stay without their phone for 10 minutes.
Not even 10 minutes, a minute.
Yeah.
It's a lot for them to stay without your phone.
So watch less phone. After this video, keep your phone down.
Yes. So I think E is good.
Nah, not E. It should probably go in B.
Sure.
Okay,
I will
guess.
follow you.
Because this is the most random stuff. Not random.
Like everybody in this era almost have this.
Next phobia is ergophobia. What is ergophobia? Ergophobia is a fear of working. And how? They're probably scared of work because they are working in some dangerous situations or something, probably. And the working is very hard and paying them less money or something.
Literally a day when I was scared of answering the question because I don't know the answer. I was like, so I don't want to do the work.
So I think it should go on A.
So the next phobia is ablutophobia. What is ablutophobia? Ablutophobia is the fear of bathing. Literally bathing.
Those guys would be very stinky.
Stinky.
Stinky monkey.
Never baths, but he faced good.
Next is optophobia. Optophobia is the fear of opening your eyes.
Like that's quite weirdest phobia I have ever heard.
Just
Weirdest
imagine
phobia.
can't opening your eyes. You are just keeping your eyes closed like this
Like
for
imagine
24/7.
if you are 10 years old. From 10 years you have kept your eyes closed. Never open your eyes.
And you are just terrified of opening your eyes.
Yeah.
Probably.
And this is going to be literally the weirdest phobia of this video.
So I think this should go on E.
So the next fear is arithmophobia. What is arithmophobia? Arithmophobia is the fear of numbers. 1, 2, 3 numbers.
I mean, like, I'm also scared of numbers, especially if they are too big in maths class, especially if they are fraction and multiplying fractions with those lakh numbers.
Lakh, million, crores.
So I think it should go
D.
on C.
D.
Why D?
Rock, paper, scissors. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. D.
So-
So the last phobia is
Valophobia,
omphallophobia is
the fear of belly buttons. But why? Like, why would someone have the fear of belly button? I have disgust of it, but not.
fear, bro.
Yeah. So
Like that's quite weirdest phobia.
So I think it should go on a E.
Wait, but not weird than optophobia. Opening eyes. It's better than 10. It's better
Yeah.
than
So
that.
it should go on E. These names were crazy big.
Crazy big.
Yeah. Why do they name these stuff this hard?
Yeah, like by its own self, they must realize that this big names, a baby can't read it. Even
Of
I
course.
can't read it by my own self.
Alright. Subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.